wonderful subscribers, my subscribers, following my channel, subscribing to my channel. Oh, you guys are so wonderful, and welcome to my channel, my subscribers, my wonderful subscribers, following my channel, subscribing to my channel. Oh, you guys are so wonderful, and I love you all. So welcome to my channel, guys. Today I'm so happy. As you can see, I'm back from work. Yeah, I just came back from work and I'm so much happy. I'm filled up with excitement as I came back with a wonderful gift I want to unveil with you guys. I delivered a wonderful job for my client and I was gifted. Like, I didn't see it coming today. Since I've been in the office, I was so happy. I've been singing, dancing, and I'm back home, very, very, very happy. Here is my gift, guys. This is my gift. You can see it's a huge sum of gifts filled in this bowl. Whole lot of gifts is here. I don't know what's inside here, so if I settle down now, I need to unveil it in the presence of you all. See, it's filled up, guys. I'm so just happy. Oh, my big gift with you, guys. It's good to be good. Always be good to people, no matter what you are passing through in life. Even in your ugliest situation, try and be good to people. Help people. Even if you are working out there and your work is so stressful that is weighing you down, do not slack back. Still give it to your best. Be optimistic in life that definitely something good will come out of your ugly situation. And that has been my own motivation that have kept me going. Yes, I always tell people to be in your best mode no matter what. No matter what you are going through in this life, try and be good and nice to people. It's good to be good anyways. Yes, because had it been I wasn't this good, like I wasn't competent enough to deliver my job accordingly, I won't be gifted. This is huge, guys. See my gift. See my gift. I'm so happy. So guys, let me drop my bag and unveil my gift with you people. Unbox my gift for you people to see what I was giving, because I did and delivered a good job for my clients, and my clients were so happy that I was gifted. Yes. I think with that I will keep on doing my thing, keep on being the best version of myself, so that it will keep opening doors for me. Yes. And I'll keep getting promotions, recommendations, and a young CEO lady. Young CEO lady. Doing my thing, living my life, giving my best to people. It's good to be good, guys. I'm just so happy. This is a very unexpected gift. I just went to work normally. I went to work. I didn't see it coming. I never knew I would be gifted. And the gift is so much, guys, that I need to unbox it with you people. Stay tuned and see and watch to yourself what is inside this my box of gifts filled up with items. Let's go there. So my people, follow me as I unbox my gifts. This is what I was gifted at the office today. As you can see, it's very, very big. I don't know what's inside yet. It was sealed properly. Even when I was trying to open it, it was very, very hard because it is sealed up. But I have to open it quickly for us to see what is inside. I can't wait to see all the whole items inside, because at the office I just wake up, prepared, and went for work. I didn't knew that I would be gifted. Like, I didn't see it coming. I just went to work to do my thing, to deliver properly as I used to. Because I'm competent enough with my job. I'm always optimistic. No matter my situation, I always know that something good is coming for me. Yes, that has always been my motivation. That is what has keep me going. Like, I'm this girl that I believe in positivity. I'm not always negative in life. Although I'm human, sometimes I will think back and slack back, but I don't allow it to weigh me down no matter my situation. So I've been doing I've been delivering jobs to my clients all this while. It has not been easy so far. With a whole lot of jobs, sometimes the work will be hectic, a lot will be on my table for me to deliver, but I'm always at my best. So I never knew that the work I delivered for my clients, that I did it so well. I thought I just did my thing, I just did my best, and that's it. I never knew that I did excellently well for my clients. Like, I gave it my best. My clients were so happy. So today I prepared to work. I went for work, and when I opened my office, I started my work. Surprisingly, someone came in and said this is my gift for leaving an excellent job for my clients. I don't have to mention the person's name. So this is what I got today, guys. Stay and watch what is inside this box, what I was gifted. Lots of items are here, and I don't know that. You know what is inside. Like I do tell people, my dear, it is good to be good to be. It's extremely good to be good. Yeah. Wow. Go baby, go love it, go love it. Wow. Okay, here. Okay, this is tissue. It is tissue. I have to stay cleaned, because they say cleanliness is next to godliness. This is a tissue first. The tissue. And this is detergent. Yeah, liver detergent. It's good anyways, because I'm always making use of it. It's nice. It is good as a liver detergent. Okay. This is cornflakes. Come and cornflakes with me. Come and take cornflakes with me. I love cornflakes a lot, and this is cornflakes. Okay. And what's this? Oh, this is Quaker Oats, guys. It's Quaker Oats. It is nice. For those that have taken it, trust me, it's nice. If you are not taking it, ask for it and try it. Quaker Oats. It's nice as well. And this is Colgate toothpaste. My recommendation for people is either you go for this one or you go for the charcoal one. It's just as if the person knows my taste. Yeah, I love anything Colgate. This is nice. Colgate detergent. Very, very nice. Okay. Oh, I need to pop champagne. Pop, pop, pop. Oh, I'm just so happy. What's the name of this drink? This is they said non-alcoholic. Yeah, it's just a drink, red wine, sweetened wine, non-alcoholic. Very nice. And I'm not that alcoholic person, and I'll finish this today. This is so nice, guys. I love this. I love this. Oh, I love this. And this is what? This is Checkers custard. Yes, this is Checkers custard. Go Checkers, go Checkers, go Checkers. It's me and you. This is checkers custard. I love it. Thank you, my clients. And what's this? This is spaghetti, guys. Spaghetti. I just have to eat. This is spaghetti. Yeah. And this is what? This is green. Okay, this is sweetened corn. Yeah, for fried rice. Me that love cooking a lot. Cooking is one of my hobby. And this is sweet corn. Let's do it, baby. And this is tomato ketchup. I'm taking my fish sauce with it and whatever. This is tomato ketchup. Yeah, it is good as well. And this is bama mayonnaise. Yeah, it's just as if my client knows I'm a foodie. I'm a foodie person. I love eating and I love to cook. I'm a good cook. If you see other my viral videos, my short videos where I post my cookings, I'm a good cook. It's just as if my client knows me enough. And this is mayonnaise. Let me kick off with my my cooking skills. Okay, and this is tomato mix. Yeah, it's tomato mix. There you go. Tomato mix, very nice. Yeah, this is steamed tomato. It's very nice. I recommend it for you out there. Try and make use of it. It's very nice, very nice. Okay, now here we go. What's this? This is Maggi. This is non Maggi. This just once I'm done with shooting this content, I'll just kick off with my cooking. Because what's this? My clients want me to kill myself with food, and I have to eat because I want it. All the stress I gave him to deliver this job, the client knows that I'm a foodie, so I have to use food to recover all the whole lost strength. Yeah, this is Maggi. And what's this? This is pig milk. This is pig milk. A lot of people knows this. A lot of people take it, and it's good. Pig milk. It's nice, guys. It's good. And what's this? Okay, this is what? Okay, fragrance for washing clothes. Okay, I'll use this to wash my clothes. If I want my clothes to be neat, sparkling neat, have that fresh scent, smell nice, this is what I need for it. Easy on. I use it to wash clothes, iron your clothes, your shirts. It will make it look so neat and tight, like starch. It's very nice. Look out for it, guys, and try it. Easy on. That's the name. It's very nice. And lastly, among the list is what? Groundnut oil. Groundnut oil. This is what's the name of this particular groundnut oil? Okay, pure vegetable oil, Lazis. This is good. Low cholesterol. Yes, it's very healthy with low cholesterol. This is Lazi groundnut oil. Try it, guys. This is very nice. If you don't want to get fat and you don't want to have excess cholesterol in your body system, guys, always make use of Lazi's groundnut oil. This is what I use for all my cookings, as if the client knows my taste and they put in my taste. This is what I use for all my cooking. Try and make use of it. Lazi's groundnut oil, the best. So guys, that's here. I'm done unboxing my gifts, and I'm so happy. The baby girl is so happy. So I think that is for all. It's over. Thank you, my wonderful clients. I pray may the good Lord keep blessing you the more. May all your life aspirations, may all be fulfilled, and may happiness never cease in your life. Thank you so much. So my wonderful subscribers, please always subscribe my videos, anticipate for my more videos, and always like, share, and comment. Drop a comment and give me tips of what you really want to see out there, and trust me, I will deliver. Just like I do to tell you people, this is the best channel you have to stay on and be expecting more explore lifestyle for whichever one. For those that have been telling me that I need to go live, they have missed my live streaming. No problems, guys. Expect my live streaming this weekend. Guys, just stay tuned and enjoy yourself. I love you all, my wonderful subscribers, and keep on streaming my videos, subscribing, liking, and always drop your comments. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.